back to my channel. Now this is another CVS haul for you guys, and it's just gonna be strictly makeup. So as most of you guys know, I do shop 2 cards at CVS. This is my first transaction I did in my second card. Now the reason why I only wanted to show you guys the makeup deals, because there are a lot of deals going on at CVS this week. I'll bring you guys another haul video and what I did in my second transaction. Also in my first card, I did receive a 10 off of 50, so I do have a scenario for you guys, so that will also be in a separate video. I'm just trying to take my time at CVS because there are a lot of CRTs that we're getting, and it could be a little overwhelming as to what you can use with what CRTs. So basically, I'm going to show you the combination of CRTs that I use for this transaction, only strictly makeup deals. So everything here counts for beauty. So I'm definitely going to get a beauty buck at the end, and it became a moneymaker. Now I did see something weird at CVS today. So usually midweek I like to print out my CRTs so the expiration date could be longer. So I went to scan my card for this card right here. And the first set of CRTs did come out. I'm glad that I got my instant coupons because those were the ones I was looking for. And then I went to scan my card again because usually we scan our card 2 or 3 times at the Redbox Coupon Center. So when I went to scan it one more time, it said no coupons available, please check tomorrow. So I'm like, I didn't print any CRTs from this card at all. So I was like, you know what, it's okay because I usually print from my computer. My main thing was to get my instant coupons. So and then I go about my transaction. Everything was well. Some of them printed at the end of my receipt. And then I go back to the Redbox Coupon Center with the same card. I don't know how much time in between, but I want to say about like 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. I went back to the machine and more coupons printed out. I went to scan my card again and it said the same message. No coupons available, please check tomorrow. So I'm not saying this is a complete change. Maybe your store is different, but this is what I noticed at my store. Now let's get right into this haul because there are some really good makeup deals this week. And I always stress in my videos, makeup deals are important so you can get beauty bucks, so you can spend those beauty bucks on things that you actually need at CVS, like our paper products, our laundry detergent, etc. So beauty deals are every single week as far as shampoo, conditioner, and makeup. So when we get these instant coupons, I say take advantage of the deals. Even if there's no manufacturer coupons for certain deals, work out your deals to see if you can. It can become a moneymaker when you receive your beauty bucks. So let's jump into this. The first deal is going to be on CoverGirl. So for CoverGirl, I picked up these products right here. So CoverGirl this week is spend $15, get a $7 extra buck. And I did this all in one transaction, so you can see what coupons you can use in certain transactions when it comes to CRTs. Because remember guys, for each CRT, threshold CRT, we have to meet the requirements. So I picked up one of the Exhibitionist mascaras for $11.99. And I picked up one of the twin brow pencils for $5.99. So the total before coupons is going to be $17.98. So we met the threshold for the spend 15, get $7 in extra bucks because the $15 is before coupons. You're going to use 2 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 1.5 RMN. I had a $3 off CoverGirl Exhibitionist CRT, as well as a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT. Also, in our app coupons, we have a $1.50 off CoverGirl mascara. So you see all the 3 combinations of coupons that I use there. You can use a $3 off a non-threshold CRT, along with a threshold CRT and an app-only coupon. Those came out with no issues. So the total worked out to $4.48, but you're going to get back a $7 extra buck. So this worked out to be free plus a $2.52 moneymaker. Now the next deal I did was on the Maybelline Cosmetics. These are buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, and they're also buy 1, get 1 50% off. So I picked up one of the Great Lash mascaras for $6.99. And I picked up a single eyeshadow for $2.09. So that's going to be these 2 right here. So since this was a buy 2, get $5 in extra bucks, we did not have to meet any threshold requirements in order to get the $5 in extra bucks. We strictly had to buy only 2 products. So I picked up the single shadows for half off at $2.09. I used one of the $2 off one mascara coupon from our 15RMN. You can only use one of those coupons because they are a limit of one. And I used one of the $1 off eyeshadow from the same insert. Again, that coupon limit is a limit of one. I used a $2 off Great Lash Mascara CRT. And we all received this week a mystery offer of $3 for Maybelline. So make sure you scan your card at the coupon center. You guys have until Saturday to print that out. So the total after all the coupons is going to be $1.08. But we're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So this worked out to be free plus a $3.92 moneymaker. Now the next items I grab are going to be the Garnier face care. So I picked up these two products right here. So again, this is another buy deal. For buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So we do not have to meet any spend requirement for it. So I picked up one of the Marcella wipes for $7.59. That's going to be this one right here. And I also picked up one of the wipes for $6.99. It's going to be the cleaning towelette right here. I used a $2 off one coupon from coupons.com that was available a couple of weeks ago. And I used a $2 off one from our CVS app digital coupons. I had a $2 off Marcella CRT for Garnier. And I had a $3 off Garnier Instant coupon. So that coupon printed out for all of us last week at the Red Box Coupon Center. So the total worked out to $5.58, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck for buying two of them. So it worked out to 58 cents for both of them, or 29 cents each. Now the next items I grab are going to be the L'Oreal Cosmetics. They're on a promotion for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. And they're also buy one, get one 50% off. So at this moment, we do not have any manufacturer's coupons for the L'Oreal, but it still was a good deal with the CRTs that I had. So I picked up one of the Voluminous mascaras for $9.99, and I picked up one of the Voluminous mascaras for $4.99. I used a $3 off L'Oreal Cosmetic Instant coupon, and that coupon printed out for all of us last week at the Red Box Coupon Center. And I used two $2 off one L'Oreal Mascara CRTs. So they were the same CRTs, but they had different barcodes on them, so I was allowed to use both of them. I had a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT, so there goes the threshold CRT that I combined with the non-threshold CRTs. So this is how you combine CRTs at CVS. So the total worked out to $4.98, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So this worked out to be free after extra bucks. Now the last deal I did was on the Revlon Color Stay Lip Color. So I picked up these two right here. So these are on a promotion for spend 12, get a $4 extra buck, and you can do this deal up to 6 times. So I did the deal here 2 times, and you have to spend $12 2 times, and you'll get back $8 in extra bucks. So I picked up 2 of them for $12.49 each, making both of them $24.98. I used one of the buy one get one free coupons that came out in our 1-5 Smart Source. That coupon deducted $12.49. Now when you go to use that coupon for these products, the manager has to scan their card in order for the coupon to go through, because the max value of the coupon is $12.99, and it is a very high max value, so they basically have to approve the coupon. I had a $5 off Revlon Instant coupon, and that coupon is printing out for all of us this week, and you have until the 25th to print it out. So the total after all coupons is going to be $7.49, but you're going to get back $8 in extra bucks because we spend $24.98 before tax. So every 12, you get a $4 extra buck, making this free plus a 51-cent moneymaker. Now, the total for everything is going to be $81.60. Again, I did everything in one transaction. So $81.60 is counting towards beauty because everything I have here counts towards beauty. The total after coupons is going to be $23.61. I rolled $23 in extra bucks to pay for this, making the total 61 cents, but I got back $30 in extra bucks. So for the CoverGirl, we got back $7 in extra bucks. For the Maybelline, we got back $5 in extra bucks. For the Garnier face products, we got back $5 in extra bucks. For the L'Oreal, we got back $5 in extra bucks. And for the Revlon, we got back $8 in extra bucks. So I only needed 77 cents to hit beauty. I have $81.60 worth of beauty items just with this little transaction here. So I will get a $9 beauty buck within 48 hours. So I completed this transaction today, and within 48 hours, I will get a $9 beauty buck. So let's go back. We only spent $23 in extra bucks to pay for this. We got back $30 in extra bucks plus $9 in beauty bucks that we will get back in 48 hours, making this little haul right here free plus a $16 moneymaker. So make sure you look at your CRTs to see what you can combine with what and try to get the lowest out of pocket using those great CRTs. Yes, CVS is giving us a lot of CRTs and it could be overwhelming, but I say just split up your transactions and try to work out little deals that you can combine certain CRTs with. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Please take advantage of these beauty deals this week because there is a lot going on. And I will see you guys in the 10 off of 50 video. So make sure you check that one out and my second haul for this card. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.